Hey everyone, if you want to share your screen using AnyDesk in 2026 for remote support, presentations, or collaboration, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process. First, open AnyDesk on your computer or mobile device. Make sure the app is properly installed and running. Next, locate your AnyDesk address on the main screen. Yeah, this unique ID is what others will use to connect to your screen. Now share your AnyDesk address with the person you want to connect with. I mean, you can send it through chat, email, or any messaging app. When someone tries to connect, you'll receive a request, so click Accept to allow them to view or control your screen. Before accepting, you can choose permissions like View Only or Full Control. This helps you decide how much access to give. Once accepted, your screen will be shared instantly. Yeah, the other user can now see your desktop in real time. If needed, adjust display quality for smoother performance. Lower settings can help if your connection is slow. You can also use AnyDesk tools like pointer control or annotations to guide the other user. I mean, this is useful for tutorials or support sessions. When you're done, simply disconnect from the session toolbar. So this safely ends screen sharing. If you want to share again later, just repeat the same steps. Yeah, AnyDesk makes screen sharing quick and easy, and that's it. You've successfully shared your screen using AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.